In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable hardware accelerated decoding on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. Select the Input/Codecs button near the top here. And underneath Codecs versus Hardware Accelerated Decoding, go ahead and click inside of here. And then you can select automatic to enable it, or you can select one of the DirectX or DirectX 3D options in here too. And you would select save to save it at the bottom, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.